Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to explore a new ROM called Project Elixir. Now, a lot of you might have heard about Project Elixir. I mean, this ROM just came as a new ROM when Android 12 was launched into the market. Now, talking about the Project Elixir, this Project Elixir is booted onto my Redmi Note 5 Plus aka Wins, and for Wins it is being compiled by Praju. And if you want to know further information about the launch date and the support about the ROM, please make sure that you join the Telegram group called @noob projects. Definitely I will post the Telegram link down in the description below. So please make sure that you join this group. Now, talking about the ROM, let's go to the specification page first. Now, these all are the specification that is inside in the ROM. It's using the latest Unix kernel, and the SE Linux of this particular ROM is enforcing, and the Android security patch is 5th of December. So it's on the latest patch. Now, furthermore, let's launch the device information application and go to the system and see what kind of build it is. Guys, this is a user build, which means your banking apps should work efficiently without installing a Magisk. It should have, or it should pass the safety net by default. So maybe, yeah, that's an add-on advantage. And it's a user build plus using Redfin fingerprint. So this must pass Play Store certification, which I didn't honestly check. Maybe we'll check that. Let's go to the files and install Magisk. So let's go to OS Android, Magisk module, and let's install the application. So let's see if we can pass the Magisk by default, which I'm not sure. Okay, right, let's see. Yeah, it passes by default. So even without Magisk, you can, the safety net is passed by default. That's maybe the advantage of user build. Well, apart from that, let's take a look at what kind of launcher it is using. Well, it's using default Google launcher, so you cannot expect a lot of customization. And do we get the widgets, the Android 12 widgets? Yes, we do. So that's also great, and we even have the facility for themed app icons. Since it's using Google launcher, so it's not a problem. Now, the default camera application that you get in this particular ROM is Google Camera Go, and these all are the applications that are available to you in this particular ROM. I mean, the ROM is not bloated with a lot of Google apps, but some Google apps, which is tolerable. It is okay. Let's launch the settings and see if we can find some customization in the ROM. Basically, as I've told you, Project Elixir is kind of pixel experience, so you cannot expect a lot of customization in this particular ROM. These all are something that you get in network and internet, and even you are not getting a network speed indicator, which is not something that I'm complaining about. You can install 1 million apps from Google Play Store if you wish to have network speed indicator. So basically, it's a basic ROM, and if you want to have some customization, of course, you can turn on and turn off battery percentage in your status bar. That's the only customization that you have over here. So even in display, you are not getting any kind of advanced customization option. Let's go to wallpaper and style, but we do get some nice wallpapers. I mean, we do get these flower wallpapers for Android 12 and a couple of other wallpapers. Even if you are using Havoc, you should be familiar with these sort of wallpapers. You get themed icons. You get an option to customize the grid for your launcher. Now, apart from that, security. Yep. Do we get pin, swipe, password, fingerprint? We don't have a face lock yet, so face lock is not present. Then going further down, let's go to system. We don't even have a sign of any customization here. Let's go to gestures, system navigation. These all are options that are available over here. I mean, what are my verdict about this particular ROM? The ROM is really smooth, and even looking at the quick settings, you can see that there isn't any much customization option available, but it's just a kind of copy of pixel experience, or it's having the same pixel kind of user interface. But I can guarantee you one thing, the ROM is super smooth and it's stable. Since it doesn't have any customization and it's really smooth, I mean, it's really fun to use. Look at the the launch responsiveness of applications. So yeah, look, that's smooth launch, stable ROM. These all are something that you get in with using Pixel Elixir. So if you really want to have further information about the build, try to join the Telegram group at the @new projects. And the build is by Praju. He did a great job in compiling Project Elixir for our beloved wins. So yeah. Is it good for a daily driver? Yeah, it's good for a daily driver, and even if you are a gaming enthusiast, the ROM will not disappoint you because the ROM is really smooth and stable. If you want to have a taste of pure pixel ROM, definitely you can try this. Definitely you should try this ROM, and yeah, that's about the ROM. The ROM is not bloated with a lot of G apps. It has minimal G apps which are useful to you, and the safety net passes out of the box, so that's also an add-on advantage. You don't need to install Magisk zip. You just install the Magisk application to check the safety net. As you can see over here, I don't have Magisk and all. So once again, I would like to thank you for watching the review, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any updates on ROMs and other Android related topics. Once again, I would like to thank you, and yeah, that's it.